On number 35, you're given a right triangle where you are given two of the sides and asked for the missing third side. This is not a special right triangle because we're not given the other two angle measures here. So don't try to use the 45, 45, 90 or 30, 60, 90 rules on here. You're using the Pythagorean theorem. Same thing with number 36. We're given a right triangle, but we don't know it's one of the special ones because I don't know these angle measures here. Okay, so again, I would use Pythagorean theorem when you're given two sides and you're finding the missing third side. So here, I'm given the two legs and I'm asked for the side across from the right angle, which is the hypotenuse. So remember, it's leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. So 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36, and so when we add those, we get x squared equals 52. Now when you undo the squaring, you do the square root. Square root of 52 is an answer choice, but it's not the simplest radical form. You need to simplify that. So 52 will break down into 2 times 26. 26 is 2 times 13. Now all of those are prime factors, and we have a pair of 2's, which goes outside the radical. Leftover number 13 goes inside. Again, if you put square root of 52 in your calculator to root 13 in your calculator, you'll get the same decimal approximation, so you'll know you simplified it correctly. So the correct answer is B, even though the square root of 52 is what you get here. It's just not in simplest radical form. On number 36, you're given one leg and you're given the hypotenuse and you're finding the other leg. So remember, it is leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. So the hypotenuse is given this time. 5 squared is 25 and 10 squared is 100. So I can get x squared isolated by subtracting 25 from both sides and getting x squared equals 75. Undoing the squaring gives me the square root of 75, which is not an answer choice, but it wouldn't be correct anyway because we can simplify it. 75 is 3 times 25. 25 is 5 times 5. We have a pair of 5's that goes outside, a 3 left over inside. So our correct answer is B, 5 root 3.